Good morning, Preeti ma'am. Good morning, Jennifer ma'am. Good morning, Geeta ma'am. Good morning, Samir sir. Good morning, teachers. And a very good morning to all our rock stars present here. Welcome to this special event, children. This is going to be an awesome and a fun-filled day for all of us today. Are you all ready to witness some fun?
Yes.
I can't hear.
Yes.
I can't hear.
Yes.
I can't hear.
Yes.
I still can't hear. Can we answer that together? Yes. Can we all scream out? Okay, great. Very nice. Very nice, children. I'm also very excited. I'm also very excited to have this special day for all of you all here today. Okay, let me tell you all a little bit about Children's Day and why we celebrate Children's Day. Okay, so Jawaharlal Nehru ji, okay, he was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, and it is his birthday on November 14th. It is his birthday, and he loves children just like how all of us love you all. He too loves children, and hence he dedicated this special day to all of y'all, and that's why we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. I do understand today is not November 14th, but the reason why we are celebrating it today is because we did not have class on November 14th. Yes, children? Yes? Okay, great. Now let's move on. Let's hear a few special words from Preeti ma'am to all of us. Preeti ma'am? Preeti ma'am is here. Sarita, is Preeti ma'am here?
I'm just checking, Ashini.
Yes, Ms. Preeti is here. Yeah.
Preeti ma'am?
Uh,
A special message to all our children?
Okay.
Okay, yes. Preeti ma'am's coming in a minute. Okay, in the meantime, before Preeti ma'am comes, Geeta ma'am, can we have a few special words for our children, please?
Oh, children, so nice to see all of you. Can you all hear me? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, you can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you are looking so cute. You're looking so colorful and very pretty and handsome. Huh? So first of all, children, just wanted to say, have a lovely day. Be wonderful, children. Always keep smiling. You know why? Why? Why should you smile and be happy?
Mama, fix this.
Right. So just wanted to say very happy Children's Day. Continue to be the lovely children. Be good kids at home. Don't bother your parents too much. And we'll come back to school and play in your sand pits, right? We want to go to the Montessori block and play with all those kids. How many of you are missing that? How many of you are missing it? Missing going back to school? All of you. Oh,
Me.
yeah.
I'm missing me. Me. I'm missing school.
Right. Promise we'll get back to school quickly. So till we get back to school, stay safe, stay happy, and be lovely kids, which you have always been. So happy Children's Day, happy Diwali, and be very safe. No crackers, okay? Just only light diyas which you made the other day. So happy Children's Day and love you.
Thank you so much, Geeta ma'am. Samir sir?
I think Geeta ma'am said so many things, and I say same. I don't want to hold you back from having a lot of fun. Are you having fun? Yes. I don't want to hold you back from your fun. We all love you. We are waiting for you to come back to school and give me high five at the gate where we used to meet. How many of you used to meet me?
Yes.
Yeah, sure that this Diwali is safe for you, for your pets, for your family, and light a lot of diyas which you made in the class, and eat good sweets. Okay? And share one
Yes.
thing you have with someone else. Okay? Share it with your friend, share it with your family, share it with anybody who's helping you at home. Okay? One thing you have. So sharing. That's it. Bye. Enjoy. I'm very excited to watch what's coming up. Over to you, Ashwini.
Bye.
Thank you, Sameer sir. Thank you so
Ashwini ma'am?
much. Yes, ma'am.
Preeti ma'am is having a little issue with her audio. We will maybe get her to speak after the
Okay.
event.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay.
Yes. So children, Preeti ma'am will join us in a bit. Okay. So now the most fun and the most exciting part of our day is going to begin soon. And for that, we have somebody special who's joined us to make your day feel extra special. And who is that? Okay, let me tell you all. We have with us Miss Aarti. Good morning, Miss Aarti. Welcome to Legacy School. So children, Miss Aarti is a puppeteer and she is going to have an awesome session done for all of y'all. Okay, are we all ready to witness some fun? Yes? Can I hear a loud scream?
Yes.
Louder, I can't hear. Loudly. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, children. Over to you, Miss Aarti.
Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Miss Aarti, and I have a company called Tickles and Tales. That's right. So before I start the special surprise for all of you, I want to tell you a little bit about me. So my name is Miss Aarti, and I used to be a teacher, just like all the wonderful teachers you have right now at school. And now Miss Aarti is a storyteller and puppeteer. That's right. I think Aarti Auntie is one of the luckiest people where she gets to meet lovely, lovely children like you everywhere she goes. And I tell everybody lots and lots of stories. But today I have a very special story for all of you for Children's Day. That's right. Can we ask everyone?
Aarti, you're muted.
Ma'am, you're mute.
Yes. So today, Aarti Auntie has a very special story for all of you, and I hope you all are excited. Here we go. So everywhere Aarti Auntie goes, she has special friends. I know we all have friends, but Aarti Auntie has special puppet friends, and I'm sure you want to meet them. Here they come. Can everybody say hi? You can wave your hands and say hello to Mr. Tickles. Hello, everybody. I am Mr. Tickles, and I like to go with Miss Aarti. Hi. With everywhere she goes.
Hi.
Yeah, talk.
Hi.
Hi, Puppet. Hi,
Hello.
Mr. Tickle.
Well,
Aarti ma'am, sorry
hello.
to interrupt.
Yes.
Aarti ma'am,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt. Parents, I request you all not to unmute the button, please, as it interrupts.
I have another suggestion. Can we just, Aarti, I'm just going to mute everybody and I'm going to give
Sure.
you permission to unmute yourself. Just give me a minute.
Sure, ma'am.
I'm muting all. Okay, and just give me a.
Yes.
All yours.
Oh, yes. Thank you, ma'am. So that is my first puppet friend, Mr. Tickles. My name is Mr. Tickles because I love to tickle. That's right. I go with Miss Aarti everywhere, and I love to tickle little children like you. right. Well, I got to go now. Bye-bye. While Mr. Tickles is a boy puppet friend of mine, I have another puppet friend who's a girl. You want to meet her? Yes, here she comes. Everyone just wave your hands and say, hi, Mrs. Tails. Hello, everyone. I am Mrs. Tails. Do you all know what I like to do? Well, I love to tell tales, and I also like to... Shall I tell you what she likes to do? Are you all ready? 1, 2, and 3. My God, Mr. Tickles likes to tickle, and Mrs. Tails likes to kiss and tell. You think she's so naughty? Bye-bye, Mrs. Tails. Bye-bye. See you all soon. And happy Children's Day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Well, you see, all my puppet friends are so naughty. I have another puppet friend. And this one is a monster. That's right. Are you all ready? Oh, yes. And I naughty children like you. That's right. With my big eyes, I am going to be watching all of you while the puppet show is on. But before then, I want all of you to raise your hands. Can you all lift your hands like this? Please be on mute and your hands. Okay? And we are going to promise Mr. Tackle to very quietly. I promise to sit quietly while the puppet show is on. Excellent. Put your hands down. And can we say bye-bye, Tackle? Bye-bye. See you all soon. Behave yourselves. I shall see you soon. While all my puppet friends are sitting in... Are we all ready for the show? Yes? Here we go. Once upon a time, in the jungle, there lived a very, very brave and strong king. Dum, 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 the king has come. 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 That's right. Do you know who the king of the jungle is? It's none other than Shere Khan! Hello, everybody. My name is Shere Khan, and I am the king of this jungle. If you trouble my animal friends, I will eat you up. My God, does Shere Khan look very scary? But he was not a scary lion. He was a very gentle and kind lion. And I want to share a secret with you. Are you all ready? Yes. Shere Khan likes to do 2 things. He likes to eat and he loves to sleep. So I want everybody to put your hands up, put it together and put it under your ears, okay? And I'm sure you all have heard your mamas and papas snore. Yes, can we pretend like them? Ready? While Shere Khan is snoring and sleeping, everybody in the jungle makes fun of him. I shall meet one of his friends. Here he comes. Hello, everybody. I am Manu the monkey. I love to jump trees and I love to eat bananas. Yummy bananas, yummy bananas. I love bananas, yummy, yummy bananas. But shall I tell you a secret? Our king is so lazy. All he does is eat and sleep. a king, someone who was strong and who would love to play. This one is so lazy. So you see, all the animals were making fun of Sher Khan because he used to only eat and he used to sleep. In this jungle, there were other animals. Some was big and fat with a long nose. Who could be? The elephant. I'm Amma the elephant. I know everybody makes fun of Sher Khan, but he is such a sweet lion. We are so lucky to have a gentle king than someone who's so strong and selfish. Nobody listens to me, but I know that Sher Khan is a nice king. While Amma used to always Sher Khan, you know what Amma used to do? While Sher Khan used to sleep and snore, he used to make loud sounds of his snore in the jungle under a tree. So Amma got an idea. She said, wait a minute, I am going to turn Sher Khan upside down. Let's wait and see. While Sher Khan was snoring, Amma, with her trunk, would roll Sher Khan upside down, and now he would start snoring louder. While Sher Khan turned back and he began to snore, Amma went and drank some water near the pond close by. But wait, I could hear someone coming. An animal with a long neck. Who could that be? Jerry the giraffe. Hello, I'm Jerry the giraffe, and I love to eat leaves from the trees. I also love to help everyone. I hope you all like me. Bye-bye. See you all soon. While Jerry went on eating his yummy leaves, there was another bird who came running very fast. Any guesses who's the fastest running bird in the jungle? Yes, the ostrich. Can we all say hello? Uh-oh. Peekaboo. 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 Hello, I'm Ollie the ostrich, and I feel a little shy with new friends. I love everyone, but I take some time to be friends. It's so nice to meet you, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye-bye, everyone. Peekaboo. So that was Ollie the ostrich, and there was another beautiful bird in the forest. Someone who loves to dance when it rains. Now I want everybody to put your hands up. Yes? And we are going to pretend it's raining. Can you move your fingers from up to down? It's drizzling. And now can you make it rain faster? A little faster. And it's pouring. Lovely. Now it's raining in the forest. And now there was a special animal who loves to dance in the rain. That is the peacock. Yes. Her name is Perry, and she loves to open her feathers and dance when it rains. Isn't she so pretty? Yes, and she has such lovely feathers. I hope some of you have seen a girl peacock. We are saying bye-bye, Perry. While Perry has danced and had lots of fun in the jungle, Now there was someone who saw someone coming, an animal that was black and white. Who could that be? Zelda! Oh, listen, everybody, listen up, listen up. I have a secret to tell you. While I was in the jungle, I saw a new lion coming to the jungle. That's right, a new lion. I think he's going to come and eat all of us up. We have to run. But before I go, let me go and tell Allah. While Zelda got very scared, she went running to Amma, the elephant, and she told Amma, listen, Amma, listen. I saw another new lion coming to this jungle. I think he wants a new home. We have to tell Sher Khan to wake up. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very dangerous. I don't know what's going to happen. And the lions are going to eat us up. Help, Amma, help. Amma said, don't worry, Zelda. I have a special secret. Amma put her trumpet out. Oh, don't worry, Zelda. You know I'm the only animal in the jungle who knows a little secret that nobody knows. Listen up, everybody. I had showed you earlier, right? I am going to turn Sher Khan over, and when he turns on his tummy, he's going to snore more loudly. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Amma turns over Sher Khan, and now he is on his tummy, and he begins to snore loudly. While Sher Khan is snoring loudly, from far away in the jungle comes the new lion, and his name is Gabbar Singh. Hello, I am Gabbar Singh, and I hear there is a lazy lion in this jungle. Well, I'm going to make this my new jungle, and I am going to eat all the animals. Let me go and find a secret spot. While Gabbar Singh went deep into the jungle, he suddenly could hear a sound. Quiet, everyone, let's listen up. He could hear sounds of loud snores. Gabbar Singh got so scared. Oh no! Looks like this lion is much stronger than me. I better run to another jungle. Run! And Gabbar Singh ran for his life, and he went to another jungle to make his home. While Sher Khan was still snoring and sleeping, you know what? There was a sound that woke him up. Are you all ready to listen? Open your ears and listen up. Here it comes. What could that be? Any guesses? Quiet, everybody. Close your eyes. I want everybody to close your eyes. And can you count till 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no cheating, 9, and 10. Oh my God, what is this? It's a snake, a rattlesnake. That's right. He's come to wake a lazy Sher Khan up. While he goes closer to Sher Khan, and he hisses. Sher Khan gets very scared and he wakes up. And now he says, "Who is that who woke me up from my sleep? I am so sleepy. I am going back to sleep." While Sher Khan has gone back to sleep, you remember his friend Manu the monkey? Yes? Oh, I'm so sorry, everyone. I was wrong. Our king is the best king, and we wouldn't want any other king. That's right. Sher Khan is our king, and we love him. And then all the animals got together, and then they began to dum dum dum, king has come, dum dum, the king has come. And all the animals celebrated their king, and they were so happy that they had the sweetest king. And only ever after, as very close friends, and they used to take care of each other and be happy. Yes? So that was our little story of the girl. I hope you all enjoyed it. And now, Aarti Auntie has a surprise. So, I hope all your teachers have sent you a list of things that you had to keep ready for your craft. Could you all quickly go and get all your things and come? Yes? Run, run, run. Everybody go get your things. I'm going to just repeat all the things we need. We need paper, a white sheet of paper. Can I show it to you? Can everybody go get one white sheet of paper, please? Is it ready? Lovely. Does everybody have it? Okay. The next thing we need is crayons. You all have crayons? We might need yellow and orange. If you have yellow and orange, could you remove yellow and orange? Okay. You can remove two colors, yellow and orange. Okay. And we might also need black. Can you remove a black crayon, please? Lovely. Okay. Aarti Auntie has a black sketch pen. I don't have a black crayon, so I'm going to use this. And do you all have glue? Yes. Can you keep your glue ready too next to you? Okay. And we need one sheet of newspaper. Can you all get one sheet of newspaper, please? Yes. Okay, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes till everybody just collects it. Can you collect all your things and come? Let me see if everybody's got everything we need. Paper, glue, newspaper, crayon. Yes, let's wait for everyone to get everything. Lovely. I see most of you already have it ready. That's nice. Okay.
Do we let them unmute themselves, Aarti? Can they
Yes.
interact now?
Sure, ma'am. Yes,
Thank you.
sure. Thank you. Okay. So I hope everybody's got all the things we need for our special surprise. Okay.
Mama,
The first thing we are going to do, please get your white paper. Okay. Can you all get your white paper first? Okay. Now, what are we going to do? I want everybody to first listen to Aarti Auntie, and you can watch what Aarti Auntie is doing. Okay. If you're going to talk, then everybody is going to get confused and we won't be able to understand what to do. Okay. So now Aarti Auntie is going to tell you what to do. This is Aarti Auntie's paper. Okay. Can you all please fold it into half Look at Arsi auntie. Hold your paper. Everybody. Hold your paper up.
Hold your
And
paper.
now we are going to fold it into half. Can you fold it into an equal half? Yes? Okay, mine is ready. I have just folded my paper into half.
Cleopatra.
Okay? If yours is ready, let's wait for all your friends. It's so easy, right? Just fold your paper into half. Okay? Done? Can I see some thumbs up? You can show me a thumbs up so I know. Okay. 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 So now what are we going to do? Okay. We are going to draw a circle. 2 circles. Okay. Look at me. This is my paper. I'm going to draw 1 circle. And I'm going to draw another circle. It's like 2 eyes. Can you draw 2? Okay, this is the open side and this is the closed side. I have drawn 2 circles. Can you do that for me, please? 1 and 2. 2 eyes. Okay? Okay, it's folded. It's outside. This is the paper inside. This is outside. I have drawn 2 eyes. Okay? Can we show thumbs up once we're done? Okay. Show me a thumbs up once you're done, children. Okay. Okay. So now we finished the eyes. Now we are going to draw the nose. Okay. So you can draw 1 small line. Can you draw this line? Okay. And then we are going to draw a semicircle down. Can you try this? First draw a straight line and then a semicircle. It's easy, right? Just 1 line and 1 semicircle down. Done? Can I see the thumbs up, please? Okay. Now we are going to do this. Everybody, please look at Aarti Auntie's paper. Okay. Now we are going to draw the whiskers. Okay. Can you draw 3 lines like this? 3 lines this side, 3 lines this side.
Auntie,
Yes, sweetheart.
it's like a cat.
It's like a cat. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's going to be a surprise. You think it's a cat? You think it's a lion? Well, let's find out.
Spider.
Spider. Oh, how many legs does a spider have?
No.
Okay, now. 8. So does this look like a spider?
No,
It's not a spider. Okay, now can we draw a nice smiley? Can you draw a nice smile? Can you draw a nice smile? Draw a nice smile.
I drawn.
You drew?
I also drew.
Lovely.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, if you're done, you can start coloring the eyes. Can you color the eyes black? Everybody, color your eyes black now. See, Aarti auntie is coloring. Color the eyes black. Color both the eyes black. If you don't want to do black, you can do brown also. Okay, children, whatever you like. You can do brown or black. Okay? You can do brown also. Okay? I'm coloring my second eye. Okay? And now I want to even color my nose. So I'm going to color my nose. You can do the nose brown. You can color the nose brown. If you don't want to do black, you can do brown. If you want to give a pink or a red, you can do that too. It's your own lion. So you can do what you want. Okay? Can we all color? Yes. Can we color the eyes and the nose, please? The eyes and the nose. If you want, okay. Ask you to wait for all of you to finish. The eyes and nose.
I use this.
The eye.
See.
Are you all done? Can you show me a thumbs up if you're done? I'm watching. I'm seeing who has finished.
Faster.
Very nice. I see some cute pink noses.
Slow. No, no.
I see some cute pink noses too. Very nice.
Don't on the video.
Okay. Are you all ready to continue? Yes.
Yes, fine job.
Okay. Now I want everybody please pick up your glue. Pick up your glue. Everybody pick up your glue, please. This is my glue. With me. So, okay. Listen carefully. Are you all ready to listen? What we have to do next? Okay. Now we are going to open this lion. Can you open this paper? This is the lion's face in the front. We are going to open it. Can you open it? Everybody open your paper. Please open your paper. And now with your glue, we are going to put glue on top. Can you put glue on top? Up. Inside. Please put glue. Aunties put glue on top. Here is the lion. I opened it up. I put glue on top. Okay? Up. Okay? Now I'm going to put it on the side. This is up. Now I'm going to put it on the side. I'm going to put one line of glue on the side. Everybody please watch. This is my lion. This is my lion. I open the lion's face and I put glue on the white side of the paper on top and at the side. On top and at the side. Okay? We are not going to put glue down. Only on top and at the side, please. Okay? On top and at the side. Done? Okay, now can you please close the lion face and stick it? Can you stick it? Stick it up. I'm going to stick it now. I'm going to press it with my fingers on top and side. I pressed it on top. Okay. Now I'm pressing it at the side. Can you all see? Now it's stuck on the top and it's stuck at the side. Is it done? Is it done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes? Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, after you, yes, tell me. I'm seeing everyone's, okay? You can put it in front of the camera. Auntie is watching all your.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. Whoever's done with their sticking can now start coloring. Okay? What color do you want to color your lion? Do you want to color yellow, or do you want to color orange, or you want to color both?
I'll color the lion.
You can
Both.
Which color you want?
okay? So I am going to put my lion here and I am going to color.
Orange or yellow?
Okay? You can do yellow. Please color in one direction. Okay? So I am going to color yellow. Color the whole lion. Can you color the full lion, the whole paper? Can you see? I am coloring my lion yellow first, and after yellow, I'm going to do orange. You can do that, or if you want only yellow, you can do that. If you want only orange, also you can do that. Whatever you want, it's yours, okay?
Put it on the face, eyes, and nose, okay? Or white sheet and all.
Okay? I finished yellow. Okay, now I'm going to do orange. I'm going to make my lion yellow and orange.
Good. Now hold it and press it in the side. Hold it and press it.
Okay, can I show you mine? My yellow is done. It's a very light yellow. I don't know if you can see it. Now on top of this, I'm going to do an orange. Okay, I have orange crayon and I'm going to color orange. Can you all color orange? Mine is almost done. I'm very fast at coloring. Please color in one direction, okay? So your coloring will look neat. Mine is almost ready. Is yours ready? Mine is ready. Okay, mine is done. Ta-da! Mine is ready. I've done yellow and orange. I'm going to wait for all of you, okay? Okay, while some of you are coloring, okay? Yes? Yes? Tell me, sweetheart.
She is showing what she has done, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, what's her name?
Shriprita.
Oh, can you put her on spotlight? I can't find her. What's your name? I'm going to find you and see you.
That's Shriprita. She's on Spotlight.
Okay, okay, great.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
will help you. Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
nice. Very nice. Very nice. Lovely, lovely. Everyone's lions are looking so cute. Very nice. Good job, everybody. I'm seeing everyone's lion, okay? I'm watching. I'm watching. Okay, is everybody done? Is everybody done?
See mine too.
Nice. Very cute.
see mine.
Very nice.
Ma'am, see mine.
I am seeing everyone, okay?
Why they are not showing you on the spotlight?
Good job, everyone. Very nice. Okay, now,
Show, see, everybody show it. You also show.
Different colors. Look at she wear is 1, 2.
I see some rainbow lions also. My God, I've never seen rainbow lions. That's a new one. I've seen lots of lions, but I've never seen a rainbow lion. Yes,
Show
Nita.
mine.
Ma'am, please see mine.
I am seeing everybody.
Can you give me your name, please?
See mine too.
Ma'am, see mine.
Your name?
Everybody.
We saw that. It's beautiful. Ma'am
Can
too
you
saw it.
spotlight
It's
Bharti?
very nice.
Harshini, please spotlight her.
Show.
Yes.
Show yours.
Ma'am, I'm all done.
Everybody show.
No, what ma'am saw. Ma'am, I'm all done.
They didn't show. Show.
Okay, everybody.
Bharti, you're on mute. Yeah.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, eyes on Miss Aarti. 1, 2, 3, eyes on Miss Aarti. 1, 2, 3, eyes on Miss Aarti. Now I want everybody to be on mute, okay? And Auntie is going to tell you what to do. Are you ready? Now, I told you to bring newspaper, right? Okay. So now we are going to tear the newspaper into small pieces. Can you see this piece? Can you tear newspaper like this? Small pieces, long pieces, okay? Like a rectangle. Can you try tearing 10 or 12 pieces like this? This is 1. Everybody look. Tear your newspaper. 1. Tear it. I'm going to tear 3. Tear newspaper, everybody. We want long pieces. 4. I'm showing. Look at how Auntie is doing. Please look at my camera. I can't find y'all. Y'all are so many. So please look at what I'm doing. It will be easier. Okay. I want 12 pieces. Can you do 12? I finished 4. This is 5. 6. Okay, I finished 7. It's so easy. 8. 8. 9.
Listen to me.
I finished 9 pieces, okay? 9 long rectangles, almost like rectangles. 10. Okay. 11. I'm going to do my 11. Okay. And now I'm going to do 12. I have done 12, okay? Everybody keep your 12 pieces ready. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12. My pieces are ready. Is everybody ready? I want 12 pieces, okay? And I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. 12. I'm going to wait for all of you to finish. Everybody finished? Twelve pieces, okay? Okay. Done?
Now we have to stick on Mr. Lion.
Yes, you have to stick on Mr. Lion. So clever you are. Okay, now can I show you how we are going to stick it? Okay.
Aarti, you're on mute, Aarti.
Yes. Okay. Okay, everybody, please listen. After you finish getting the 12 strips of newspaper, we are going to make 12 dots of glue in a circle around the lion's face. Okay, see, Aarti aunties put glue. I've put 1 dot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you all put Fevicol like this? In a circle outside. Okay? It has to be in a circle outside the eye and the mouth of the lion. 12 dots, okay, of glue. Please count and put it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Done? Okay. Now we are going to start sticking this paper. Look at what Aarti auntie is doing. I am going to stick it on the glue. Look at that. Can you stick the paper all around the lion? Everybody? I'm sticking 1 paper, 2. Can you all do it? 3, 4, and stick it, press it, okay? See, it's going to look like that. And we are going to do 4 and 5, 6. Look how my lion's looking. Ta-da! What is this called? This is called the mane of the lion. What are we making? The mane of the lion, okay? Don't you see the hair around the lion's face? Yes? So that is called the mane of the lion. Okay, children? So that's what we are making now. I am done. Make sure you press it after you stick the Fevicol. Press the paper, please. Otherwise, the paper will fall off. Mine is ready. Look at my lion. Ta-da! If you are done, you can show your lion in the camera. Okay? Let me see how your lion looks.
I'm going to take all spotlights off. So and put it on speaker view,
Yes.
grid view.
Yes, sure. Lovely. All the lions are looking so different and so nice. Very cute, children. Good job.
Very good.
Some are looking scary. Some are looking angry. Some are looking happy. Some
When
are
you're
looking
done,
naughty.
hold your lions to the camera. And David, can you take a picture, please.
Ma'am, see mine.
Yes,
Very
Nihal. You
cute,
can
sweetheart.
see it, Nihal. He's got a blue line.
Yeah.
Ma'am, see mine and Japan.
Ma, see mine.
Yes, Sanvi.
yes,
Can
Auntie.
see your Sanvi.
Angry lion. See mine. Oh,
Serigo కూకురా Serigo కూకురా తీసుకుంటారు
Yes,
Yes,
sweetheart,
Shri
I'm looking
Prita.
at so cute.
see mine, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
Riva.
nice.
Ma'am.
Nice, nice.
Yes, Yash.
Lovely.
Yash, hold it in front of your camera, please, Yash. Thank you. Yes, Satij.
I'm seeing,
Yes,
I'm seeing.
Chiran. Nice. Satij.
I'm seeing everybody.
Yes, Ritav. Nicely done, Ritav.
మీ మొక్కం చూపి మొక్కం కంపించు మ్యామ్ అని పిలి
Yes, Pranit. Yes, Pranit. Saw yours.
Okay. Now, everybody back to Aarti auntie. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on Miss 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 Aarti. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on Miss Aarti auntie. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Excellent. Now, I am going to tell you the best part of our surprise. Are you all listening? Now, we did not stick down, right? We did not stick down of the paper. It's open. Now you can put your hand inside. Can you see this paper, the gap? Put your hand inside. Put your hand from down.
Your hand inside.
Yeah. And now it's a paper bag puppet. Look at that. Yes, it's a lion paper bag puppet. Hello, everybody. Yes, and down of the jungle.
Come also. Show now.
Ma'am, see.
Can you all see? That's your paper bag puppet of the lion. Okay. Now, if some of you listen up. Children, please listen. If you want, only if you want, you can also fold it on top like the ears of the lion. If you want to fold it, you can make a triangle and fold it. It will become like the ears of the lion if you want it. Okay? If you don't want the ears, you can leave it open. If you want the ears, you can fold it like a triangle. Okay? I've just folded the two corners. Okay? It's up to you if you want the ears or you don't want the ears. Yes?
Yours, mommy.
Show me.
Ma'am, see. Be quiet. Ma'am.
Yes, I'm seeing everybody. Very nice.
Take to which time?
Very nice.
Wow, children.
Can we hear your lions growl?
Oh my God. That's scary. All of you all have done a great job. Wonderful, children.
Whoa. Will everybody hold your line to the camera a little bit, please? Hold your line to the camera in front of your faces or next to your faces, and we'll take a picture. Okay? One sec. In front of the
Everybody, please
camera.
hold your line. Hold your line. Continue camera,
Oh,
please.
oh my God, ma'am. Harshini ma'am, this is scary. So many lines. Reva, bring your line forward a little bit,
See,
darling.
ma'am. Pride of lions.
Anisha, bring your line to the
Very
camera,
nice.
please. Tanvi. Nice. Are we ready, Satij? Bring your line to the camera. Shriprita, I want to see your face also, Shriprita. Come to the camera.
We can probably hold it beside our face like this so
Hold
that we
it
can
next
see
to
your
your
face.
face.
Ma'am is calling you, see?
We can see your
Shriprita,
face
come,
as well as
darling.
the lion. Can we hold it beside our face, please? Yes. Very
Oh,
nice.
nice. Cyrus, nice. And
Very
everybody,
good.
3, 2, 1. Varna, where's your lion, Varna? You're still working on it?
Where's your lion?
And I want all of y'all to say cheese, please. Come on, it's Children's Day. Let me see those smiles. Yes, very nice.
And
Show us your lion.
Great.
Lion.
Cheese.
is your lion saying cheese or is your lion saying growl? Oh, nice.
Sutej, what's that? You got an extra line?
It's
You
my
got a mask. Very nice.
He's also got Sher Khan and
Folks, did you hear the roar of the
Gabbar.
lion in between? I heard it.
see Sienna also. They've got Sher Khan and Gabbar.
Okay, I'd like to wish all the children a very, very happy Children's Day. Lots of love from Aarti Auntie. Always be happy and be kind and don't trouble your teachers.
Okay, children, can we all please listen? I've got something to say. Everybody, eyes on me. We can keep the puppets down, please. We'll play with it in 2 minutes. Yes? Okay, everybody, please listen to me now. Listening ears, everybody, listening ears, listening time.
Just do and change it.
Ma'am, can we have everybody muted, please? Sarita, ma'am.
Okay, mute me.
Sure.
Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Aarti. You most certainly made our children feel extremely special and we had lots of fun. Thank you so much for joining us today. Children, can we all give Aarti Auntie a big round of applause and we'll clap for ourselves to everybody. Yay! That was
Thank you so much.
awesome. Lovely children. Thank you so much, Miss Aarti.
Welcome, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, children. I hope all of you all had fun. Did you all have fun? Can I hear a loud yes? At the count of three. At the count of three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can I hear that? Okay, I love those loud screams. Very nice. Okay, now before we can wind up, ma'am, we just have everybody muted. Teachers, Geeta ma'am, Sameer sir, Shubha ma'am, Sarita ma'am, Preeti ma'am, please unmute yourselves. Okay, so Preeti ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Sameer sir, teachers, at the count of 3, we'll all have a loud shout to our children and wish them a very happy Children's Day. Okay? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy Children's Day! We love you!
Hello.
Absolutely.
I'm just gonna spotlight the teachers first. Maybe Harshini, we should do this one more time.
Okay. Okay. Another special wish from Team Legacy to all our children.
Come on,
Okay,
teachers,
at the count
spotlight
of
yourselves
3.
and come on.
1, 2, 3.
One sec. I'm just spotlighting. Can we spotlight all the teachers? I don't see them on camera.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm
Teachers,
doing
you
that,
turn
yeah,
on your
right now.
camera.
Preeti ma'am.
Yes, finally, Sarita.
Yes. Ma'am, your
Wow.
camera also, ma'am. Camera also, ma'am. Yes. All right.
Can we begin, ma'am? At the count of 3.
Kathy, you also come in.
Kathy,
I'm not a host. You need to spotlight me.
I can't see you, Kathy. One sec. Let me now find your.
I got a.
Yeah.
Okay, you are there.
Kathy.
I'm just going to.
Teachers, are we ready? Sarita ma'am, are we ready? Okay, get up, teachers. 1, 2, 3. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's
Have fun,
Day.
children.
Yeah.
We love you. We love you.
Preeti ma'am, a special message to all our children, please.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, children. How are you all?
Okay, children, everybody, I know you all are super excited. Can you give us
Preeti
2
ma'am,
more
please
minutes,
unmute
please?
yourself,
Preeti ma'am has
ma'am.
got a very special message for all of you all. Okay?
Preeti
Just 2
ma'am,
more
please
minutes.
unmute yourself. Preeti ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Children, I'm so excited to be with you all. Did you all have fun today? I think that was a lovely show which
Yes.
yes. But I just want to tell you all how much I'm missing you all. I miss the school. I miss you all. I miss talking to you. I miss playing with you. I'm just waiting for the schools to reopen so that we all can have fun together. Would you like that, all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Do you want to come back and have fun with me?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is my wish for Children's Day. I just want to get back to school fast, to be with you all and to play with you and to have some nice happy times with you all. So have a happy Children's Day. Enjoy yourself. Take care of yourself and don't.
Ma'am, you've gone on mute again, ma'am. Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am, you've gone on mute again, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So children, happy Children's Day. Have fun. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. And don't trouble your mamas and papas. Enjoy yourself. Happy Children's Day, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I'm just
Preeti
waiting
ma'am.
to see you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, great children. We've had a wonderful time with all of y'all. Yes, I know most of y'all don't like to say bye, but I'm afraid we all need to wave goodbye to one another now. Okay, we will see y'all back on Thursday after your Diwali break. Have a safe Diwali. Remember what Samisa's pet told us? Anybody remembers? He had a request for us, right?
Yeah. Trouble your mommy and daddy.
Oh, don't trouble your mamas and dadas. Is that what the little pet told us? He also told us something else. He requested us, right? Not to burst. What?
Crackers.
Absolutely. So at Legacy, can we all promise to one another that we wouldn't burst crackers this time and have a clean, safe and a green happy Diwali? Yes, thank you so much, children. I'm so proud of all of y'all. Okay, ma'am, can we have the goodbye song, please?
Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed the singing. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Goodbye, everybody. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed the singing.